I Am Legend screenwriter forced to tell anti-vaxxers his zombie movie is fake. Oh, you're going out on a limb on this one. You're walking on a tightrope on this one.
This one's a fun one.
Because we just had the topic with the Amazon thing. Mm-hmm. Now you're going straight science fiction or zombie over here.
So did you watch this movie?
Absolutely not.
You didn't?
No.
Oh, wow. It's actually a pretty good movie.
You just feel like I would have watched it.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
It would have been one of your...
You know what's crazy is it's 2007 it came out. Mm-hmm. Wow. Somehow I missed it. I don't know. I didn't watch it.
Okay. So a little bit of a spoiler here. They try to cure cancer, but the vaccine ended up making people zombies. So a lot of anti-vaxxers...
They love it.
Thought this was a documentary.
Right. The screenwriter who penned the 2007 zombie movie I Am Legend starring Will Smith has been forced to clarify something on Twitter. Oh my God. There's 3 periods there as well. It's a movie. I made that up. It's not real, he tweeted Monday night. He had to clarify that the movie wasn't real.
Yes.
The meme incorrectly asserts that zombies were created in the movie from a vaccination program gone awry, as though that would have some relevance to the real-world COVID-19 pandemic, which has sickened at least 203 million people globally and killed 4.3 million. Okay, so this started with a meme, and then people believed the meme?
Something like that, yeah.
Remember in I Am Legend, the sickness didn't make the zombies. The vaccination did. Oh.
It's the thinking emoji.
Yeah, thinking emoji and conspiracy theory goes hand in hand. Curious, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, look, it's the internet, man. You got millions and millions and billions of people on the internet. People are going to talk and do what they want. They're going to share and do what they want. It's the best part about it. It's the worst part about it. It's you can't police this thing. I mean, people have tried. You're going to go crazy trying to police this thing. The memes flow like fine wine.
Oh, yeah. It's a fun time.
It's actually wine that flows like a river. What movie is that? And the wine was flowing. Is this anywhere inside your brain, or are you just pretending to be interested in the reference?
I'm trying to think. Nothing comes up in my data bank.
Where the wine flows like water? It doesn't matter. The point being is, on the internet, there's a lot of wine.
And it's flowing.